Hello, dear students. So today we are going to start the further whatever we have question we have done in the last session. Okay. So further we will start here, and we will complete the ICSE board class 10th math questions here. So question number here, see everyone, 21 is here. So question number 21 is what here? Sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. Okay, this is the LHS side, and that is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. This is the right hand side. Okay, so now what I will do in this one, it's very simple, this math. Okay, so how we'll do, we'll just expand this one. This is A plus B the whole square, so this is the A square sin square A plus cosec square A plus 2 sin A into cosec A. Then next one is here cos square A plus cosec square A plus 2 sin A into cosec A. Okay, so see here sin square A plus cos square A here, you see all of you. So what I can do in this one, I can write here sin square A plus cos square A here. Okay, I will bring both together. Okay, then next step is here cosec square A plus, one second, this is sorry, this is sec square actually, this is sec square A, this is sec square A. Okay, this is sec A even and sec square A, so this is sec square A and 2 sine A, and I can write this one 1 by me sine A, because you know that cosec A is equal to 1 by sine A, and this one I will, this remaining part is here, now this I will write also here 2 sine A, and you know that sec is how much here? No, again mistake is happened. This is the 2 cos A. Sorry, A square plus B square is there now. So sorry, A square plus B square plus 2AB. So this is the 2 cos A divided by me 1 by cos A. Okay. So cos gone here, sin gone here. Okay. So this is the sin square A plus cos square A plus cosec square A plus sec square A, sec square A plus 1 plus 1, no, 2 plus 2, this is 2 plus 2, 4 here, and this is the 1. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1 here, and cosec square A I can write here, you know that the formula of the cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1, so I can write here 1 plus cot square A, and sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1, so I can write sec square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. Okay, all these formula they have given in the book. So 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7, 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So this is the, we are getting here RHS. Okay, we started from the LHS. So this is the solution of the question number 21. Okay, so question number 21 we have done here. Now come to question number 22. What is your next question you come? So next question is here sec square A cosec square A equal to tan square A plus cot square A plus 2 here. Okay, so see everyone, this is we want here, see sec and tan have relation and cosec and tan have relation. So you know that, see this formula everyone know that sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. So what I can write here, 1 plus tan square A I can write like this, and cosec square A I can write here 1 plus cot square A. I can write like this. This is the LHS. This is the LHS. 1 plus tan square A. Now what I will do here, this 1 plus tan square A, I will multiply here. So 1 plus tan square A and cot square A plus tan square A into cot square A. I will multiply everything here. This is the 1 here, 1 plus tan square A plus cot square A plus 1, 2 here tan square A plus cot square A. This is the answer here. Okay, so this is the RHS here. Okay, for this question, 2 plus tan square a plus cot square a, and I have started from the LHS. So question number this one also over here. Now you come to next question, all of you. Next question is here, everyone. 1 by में 1 plus cos a and 1 by में 1 minus cos a equal to 2 cosec square a. Okay, so what I will do here, 1 minus cos a I will write above, and 1 plus cos a I will take simply LCM, and in denominator what happened, 1 plus cos a and 1 minus cos a. Okay, so LHS side I have taken here actually. Now next what happened here, cos a cancel here, 2 divide by में 1 minus cos square a. So 2 divide by में sin square a, and that is equal to, you know that sin is reciprocal of cosec, so 2 cosec square a. 2 cosec square a is your answer. Your answer is the 2 cosec square a. Now next question we will do here. Question number 24. 1 by में 1 minus sin a, 1 by में 1 plus sin a is equal to 2 sec square a. Okay, so this is what happened here, 1 plus sin a plus 1 minus sin a divide by 1 minus sin square a. Okay, is equal to 2 sec square a. So sin a cancel here, 2 divide by में cos square a, that is 2 sec square a is your answer. So RHS we got it here, and LHS we started from here only. Okay, so question number 24 we have done here. Okay, question number 24 we have done. Now next you come, all of you, next question. Cosec a by में cosec a minus 1 and cosec a divide by में cosec a plus 1, that is 2 sec square a. Okay, so again what we will do in this case, I will simply take cosec a outside here. What is left here, 1 divide by में cosec a minus 1 and 1 divide by में cosec a plus 1. Okay, so cosec a, now what I will do here, cosec a plus 1 plus cosec a minus 1 divide by में cosec a minus 1 and cosec a plus 1. So a minus b, a plus b, this is the concept here. Okay, a minus b, a plus b, this is the concept here. Cosec here 2 cosec a, this is the 2 cosec a, and this is the a minus b and a plus b, so I can write here cosec square a minus 1. Okay, that is equal to 2 cosec square a divided by cosec square minus 1. So cosec square minus 1 is how much here? You know that cosec square a minus cot square a is equal to 1. So cosec square a minus 1 is equal to cot square a. Okay, and now what I will do, this one 2 by में sin square a I can write like this, and cot square I can break like this कि cos square a divided by में sin square a. So this gone here, 2 by में cos square a, that is equal to 2 sec square a. So this is your correct answer. This is your correct answer. Okay, next question we will go here. Next question is here, sec a डिवाइड बाई में sec a minus 1, sec a plus 1 and plus sec a divide by में sec a minus 1. Both are the same question. Okay, previous one we have done the cosec one now, and this one both are the same question. RHS I will also write here that is 2 cosec square a. So sec a here I will take common, and sec a minus 1 plus sec a plus 1 divide by sec square a minus 1. That's it. This gone here, And next what I will do in this one, sec a into 2 sec a divide by में sec square a minus 1, that is equal to 2 sec square a, and sec square a minus 1 is equal to tan square a. Okay, now I will break this one here. So what is this, 2 1 by में cos square a and divide by में sin square a divide by में cos square a. So this gone here. 2 cosec square a is the correct answer. Okay, 2 cosec square a is the correct answer. So question number, this one is also over, 26. Okay, now come to the next question. Next question is here 27. 1 plus cos a and 1 minus cos a, that is equal to tan square a sec a minus 1 whole square, sec a minus 1 whole square. Okay, so 1 plus cos a here, 1 minus cos a here. See this side I want tan. So just my dear students, you assume one thing, see cos a is here, now cos I have to convert in the sec, and cos you can convert in the sec or something. Okay, what we can convert we have to see, because see tan is coming in the sine by cos form. Okay, so what I will do in this one, I will 1 plus cos a 1 minus cos a, I want to convert this one in the some other form, so I will multiply here 1 minus sine a, 1 minus cos a and 1 minus cos a. So what happened here, 1 square minus cos square a, and this one is what happened here, 1 minus cos a whole square. Okay, so 1 minus cos square a is here. So this is the what is this one, this is sine square a and divide by 1 minus cos a whole square. Okay, this is like this only. Now what happened, above and below I will multiply by cos, sine square a divide by cos square a, 1 minus cos a cos square a divide by में cos square a. So sin a divide by cos a, this is the what happened, this one is the whole square, I can write like this, and divide by 1 minus cos a divide by में cos a also whole square, tan square a 1 sec a minus 1 whole square. Okay, so tan square a sec a minus 1 whole square, I got the RHS in this one. So this is the done here. Okay, this answer came correctly here, sec a minus 1. Even you can solve this question like I have started from the LHS side now, and I am getting the RHS. You can start from the RHS also, you can get the LHS. Okay, this is not a difficult one. Like tan square a is there now. Tan square a, what I will do, what you will do in the RHS side. See, RHS side they have given tan square. So tan square a you convert in the sec square a plus 1. Okay, and sec square a plus 1 you will convert it this one, sec square a, no, sec square a minus 1, sec square a minus 1 you have to convert, and you break above and below by the like plus minus 1, and you will get the answer LHS from also here. Okay, like I can little bit I will give you the clue how the same question you can do by the RHS. See here, like tan square a is here na? Tan square a divide by में sec a minus 1. So what happened here, this is the sec square a minus 1 divide by में sec a minus 1 whole square. This is a whole square actually. Okay, this is a whole square. So what I will do in this one, sec a minus 1 sec a plus 1 sec a minus 1 whole square, this gone here, and sec a plus 1 sec a minus 1. Now very simple, this is 1 by में cos a plus 1, 1 by में cos a minus 1, 1 plus cos a, and 1 minus cos a. This is the answer here. Okay, just simply you will take the LCM, then cos will cancel here, and you will get it the 1 plus cos a, 1 minus cos a. So this kind of sum you can solve from RHS, LHS both side, and both one is easy. Both side, both method you can apply, and both method is very easy. Okay. Now next question we will see here. 28 number. Cot square A divide by में cosec A plus 1 whole square. So cot, what I will write here, cosec square A minus 1, okay, divide by में cosec A plus 1 cosec A plus 1 whole square. Okay, so what I will do here in this one, again I will break this one, cosec A minus 1 cosec A plus 1 cosec A plus 1 divided by whole square, this gone here, and cosec A minus 1 cosec A plus 1. Okay, now again we want to convert in the sign, so simply you convert in the sign, 1 by में sin A minus 1 and 1 by में sin A plus 1, 1 minus sin A divide by में sin A, 1 plus sin A divide by में sin A, sin cancel here, 1 minus sin A divide by में 1 plus sin A. So this is the answer here. Okay, for you are getting the LHS here from the RHS. This and previous question both are the same. Okay, like last question I have solved by both the method. This question I am doing from the LHS to RHS. Exactly that opposite they have given in the last question. Okay, so question number 29 is over. No, 29 we are going to do here. Okay, so 1 plus sin A divide by cos A and cos A 1 plus sin A, that is equal to 2 sec A. That we have to done. That we have to do. So again I will start from the LHS. Okay, so 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A whole square. I will take LCM here, and this is the cos square A, and 1 plus sin A into cos A, 1 plus sin square A plus 2 sin A, cos square A, and 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay, now what I will do here, 1 plus sin square A plus cos square A plus 2 sin A, 1 plus sin A into cos A, 1 plus 1 2 sin A, 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay, 2 plus 2 sin A divide by में 1 plus sin A and into cos A. Here 2 you take the common, 1 plus sin A divide by 1 plus sin A into cos A. This gone here. 2 sec A is your answer. What is answer here? 2 sec A. Okay, so now next last question you have to come here for today session. 1 minus sin A divide by 1 plus sin A, that is equal to sec A minus tan A whole square. Okay, so 1 minus sin A, 1 plus sin A multiply 1 minus sin A divide by में, 1 second, here 1 minus sin A is there. Now we want sec and tan, so we want something that we can divide in the down. Okay, so what I will do here in this one, okay, yeah, it's correct here, 1 minus sin A. So 1 minus sin A whole square, this is, and this one is how much here, 1 minus sin A square A, and 1 minus sin A whole square is here, and this is the cos A actually. Okay, this is a cos A actually. So 1 minus 1 by में cos A minus sin A divide by में cos A whole square and this is the sec a minus tan a whole square. Okay, so this is the answer. So RHS, we got it here. So hope you guys have enjoyed this entire session. Okay, and in the coming session I will solve the rest of the question. Okay, thank you everyone. If you like, if you want, I have to make more video on this mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology. Okay, so you have to like, subscribe and share this one. Okay, and coming classes we will make more and more video on this topic. Okay.